When the two tangent lines at a point P, 0 to a hyperbola x squared minus 3y squared equals 3 are perpendicular to each other, we're going to find the value of the positive number P. Alright, so first let's rewrite our hyperbola and divide each term by 3. So this is going to be x squared divided by 3 minus y squared divided by 1 equals 1. That means my a squared equals 3 and my b squared equals 1. Alright, now the equation of a tangent line with slope m, we're talking about tangent lines, is given by this formula right here. So that's the one we're going to use. So we're going to use y. We don't know the slope yet, so y equals mx plus or minus square root of a squared, so that's 3, m squared, and then minus b squared, so minus 1. All right. Excuse me. Since the tangent line passes through the point P, 0, I'm going to substitute that in for my x and my y. So I'm going to get 0 equals m times p plus or minus square root of 3m squared minus 1. From here, I want to subtract this from both sides of the equation. So you get negative m times p equals plus or minus square root of 3m squared minus 1. Let's square both sides of the equation. We're going to solve for m, so I'm going to square this, and you're going to get m squared p squared equals 3m squared minus 1. Now let's set all of this equal to 0, and we have both of these m squared, so I'm also going to factor out m squared. So this is going to give you m squared minus p squared minus 3 times m squared plus 1 equals 0. So now we have a quadratic formula where our a equals p squared minus 3, and we don't have a b, and our c equals 1. All right. We note that the two slopes of our tangent lines are roots of the equation. Also, our two tangent lines are perpendicular. So the product of the slopes is negative 1. Okay, so we're going to use the product, the relationship of roots and coefficients, and find the product of our roots, and then also set it to negative 1. So I'm going to use this relationship between roots and coefficients, and we have an a and a c. So basically what we're going to do is take our alpha beta equals c, and our c is 1, and our a is p squared minus 3, and set this to equal negative 1 because they're perpendicular. So that's the product of the roots. All right, so cross multiplying, we're going to get p squared minus 3 equals negative 1. All right, or we can say p squared equals 2. Therefore, we have p equals square root of 2, or p equals negative square root of 2. When you square root both of these, you have to put plus and minus. We want the positive number, so we're going to take p equals square root of 2. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.